Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I know why you guys are here just after reading the title of the video, which is data privacy. And every one of you care about your data and all you need to protect them. That is why you guys are here watching this video. Let me just tell you where will the problem arise. It's all because of internet, where everybody knows internet is awesome, but people are creepy, especially those whose job is to spy on us and make it look like who did it. Everything we love is trickiness. As like a new business model is to design a product that offers little convenience at low or zero price in exchange for unlimited generation of data that are collected from the users and sold to the highest bidders. You are not a customer or consumer anymore. You have to become the product. If you don't want to rationalize this, though I have nothing to hide nonsense, if you have nothing to fear, it can be really uncomfortable to do anything on the web. You may feel like you could only hide in a cage and stay there forever, where I'm here for you to teach some good strategies that you can learn in next 5 minutes. It's easy, convenient and fast way to protect your data. What I see a lot of people are there doing wrong. They open up their browsers and very first their Gmail and then Facebook. Leave them open all day while they browse anything on their browser for fun and other activities. So what? It looks like nothing. But because Facebook and Google plan cookies on your device through browsers that sends them your uniquely identifying information along with everything you do on that browser. They now own and sell everything they collect. The solution to this is to compartmentalize. The best way to do it is to store browser. It's a bundle of that anonymize your traffic. You can step it up right away and use it as your primary browser, but the slowdown of your internet traffic may discourage you. You can use Facebook Store link, and your internet service provider will no longer be able to tie your browsing to your real identity. You can use mental clients like Mozilla Thunderbird for Gmail. Webmail is extremely insecure. Every time you log in or refresh, someone can attempt to spoof your JavaScript and want to get the access of your device messages. This is the most common practice of government hackers using mail client not only by passing the security loophole, it also disables Google from planning those cookies through Gmail to track you down. For light browsing, use Brave browser, which works on any device or any operating system. It blocks all advertisement and trackers by default. It only accepts the ethical ones which do not practice, so the right model is promoted. The choice is there for you to opt in or opt out of these air attachment as well. Learn to close your browser more frequently and configure it to delete your history and all the cookies. Google Chrome is the biggest pervert on your privacy. Everything gets sent to Google, and some atoms were cluttering your microphone without letting you know. Use coming instead if you really love to look or feel. It looks the same thing but more blue or more open source. Firefox is excellent for stepping things up. Configure it through privacy settings to maximize your privacy protection and install the set of atoms HTTPS everywhere. You block origin privacy badgers, self-destructing cookies that are privacy disconnect and random agents. Close your browser after each session and learn to use bookmarks instead of browsing history. You can right click and choose bookmarks all the tab if you want to remember your live session. When you want to come back, this way every time you need to close your browser. The new session will start as if it was a fresh installed browser. No data available for tracking, and there's nothing to identify. The random agent Fuller will create a fake browser fingerprints so that the website won't be able to know what browser device and operating system you will use. You have to type your password every single time, but it's not a problem for a password manager. The best option is to use master password, which works on all the platforms. You shouldn't save your password on any browser because they are stored unencrypted. Anybody could get the access to your device when you are in a public Wi-Fi and steal your passwords. There is also a security update on top of the better privacy. For email, it is easiest way to still effective solution is offered by ProtonMail. You can set up your account completely anonymously through hidden tolling. ProtonMail is a type of alternative of email. You can send an encrypted message to non-proton mental users. It has a beautiful user interface. You can set your message to self-destruct at any time. For instant message, I can personally refer you go for Signal. You can do voice and video calls, send pictures and videos, and also sense of destructive messages. All is encrypted. For example, Telegram is also the best secured messenger and messaging application where your data and messages are totally encrypted. And the company is completely transparent, funded by donation. We want technological advancement that everybody can enjoy, but we don't want billionaires making fortune while printing barcodes whenever heads and building absolute surveillance state. This way we limit the amount of data they can collect, and what gets collected cannot be turned back on us in form of targeted ads. It becomes useless. They will either not be able to make sense of the ambiguous data, or your configuration will block any attempt of incoming targeted advertisement. Always remember, this targeted marketing is not serving you. It's the maximization of their profit, not your satisfaction. They won't choose the best product for you. They will choose the one you will be ready to pay for the most. If you would like this video, please comment to the video, and I would appreciate your feedback in comment section below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative video. And share this to your friends so that it can be helpful to prevent your data and their data also. Thank you viewers for watching this video.